Hi everyone! In this episode I will create a marble effect wall using acrylic plaster. And here's a quick look at the final result. Glossy, modern and super elegant. This is the style I am aiming for. Want to see step-by-step process? Keep watching. So, tape. Extremely important. with this case, yeah, if we're using paint, so the tape is something that we need to have. Or maybe you have a steady hand, but I do not. So tape. Okay guys, this is the first layer of colored classic stucco or acrylic plaster. The plaster starts out white, so you need to add the pigment first. There is a huge range of colors all available. I went with the black diamond and I used about 6 to 8 of them. I just mixed the pigment into the plaster until I got the shade I wanted, and pretty that's it guys. Quick tip: when you're applying classic stucco or acrylic plaster, start from a corner that matches your dominant hand. For me is the right corner. This way you work smoothly across the wall and avoid overlaps or messy double layers. Okay guys, we are at one of the most important steps, polishing the plaster with Venetian trowel. This part can be tricky and tiring, but it's a key to get that marble effect. The technique is all about smooth control movements with the trowel. You are almost shaving off a thin layer of stucco, but not too much. As you work, you will feel when the surface is ready, you will see. The classic stucco should be put evenly, I believe so, because of then when you polish using, I think they call this trowel, using that is faster and easier. However, I went for that super dramatic look and I put stucco not really even, so some of the places they will be much more difficult for me to polish, so that will take much more time than I assumed, but that's not the problem. Slowly but surely I will get there. So guys, finger crossed for me. I will show you now how I will do it. I will show you now my progress with this. So just grab a cup of coffee and a lot of biscuits, because it probably that's take me like ages. So I try be first brutal. Now, so what I'm doing now, I will polish the bits they stand out more. Some people doing that stuff, but I don't know. I find this that way easier for me. Probably some professional, you know, person who doing this every day will laugh. But yeah, that's the way of what I'm doing, and I find it that easier for me. So yeah, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm hoping to get the same result. So guys, like I was saying, we tackled this wall, that one. So that will be kind of extension of the headrest for the bed, and we're going for something like over there. I'm not sure if you can see the full effect because of it's quite shiny. Oh, I think from this angle will be better to show you what I try to achieve. It's like, you see, it's like a marble gold-ish kind of effect. What do you think about the wall? What do you think about the wall? Come on, Ronnie, tell me. Ronnie, come on. Come on, tell me. Come on. Oh, you like it. Oh, oh, so good boy. Such a good boy. So guys, I did small upgrade. Wasn't super expensive, one of the cheapest hand card polisher that I could actually get on Amazon, and I will finish that wall finally, yeah, because he's taking me so long now.